We're gonna slick it out in there at 85 amps. I'm ready to go. Everybody cover for me. Safety, you better be watching them. So I'm just going to light up here on this tie-in. Don't worry everybody, we're going to fix the quality on the TVs here in a minute, so don't worry about that. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm just doing like a little shimmy right into our root opening, walking right over this filler. Not going much up onto the bevels, more staying right in the center. That's going to give us that really nice, good-looking penetration. So you walk in the cup right here, Casey? No, like I said, this is more of a shimmy. We're not walking the cup just yet. So once I make my tie in here, I'm going to kind of run forward, then walk it back, then run forward again. So it's going to make this tie in slick, long arc, and pop out. Then I do what's called post flow while our weld is still glowing. I'm going to let it cure with that argon. You know what to do. The powwow has told you. All right, take the mic. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. You made a bird noise.